Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete videos and pictures on Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your login details and log into your Facebook account. Now on your screen you can see options like menu, write in your message, search bar and your old conversations. All you have to do is open the conversation where you have the videos and pictures that you've sent or received that you want to delete. I'm gonna open this, then scroll and find the picture or the video you want to delete. Long press on it and you can see reply, save, unsend and more on the bottom of the screen. All you have to do is tap on unsend and select if you want to unsend for everyone or unsend for you only. I'm gonna select unsend for everyone, and it's the same for pictures as well. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete videos and pictures on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.